Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Opodo account. So primarily we're going to go to the app. As I told you, we're going to find it in the Play Store, so that's the App Store. Then once here, we're going to click on our account settings on the top right corner. Then again, you're going to click on account and settings. So as you can see, there's an option which says, do you want to delete your account? Yes, please. So we're going to click on it. So it's going to make you confirm to delete your account. So everything you had will be deleted. All your travel flights or your info, all your personalized info will be deleted. So this is how you delete it. If you want to open it again, I have a different video in our YouTube page. You guys check it out. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.